So here we are now, folks. As I said in the previous video, that we want to hide the toolbar now for users when they log in, and we'll get it really nice and professional looking. So there's a very simple plugin to use here that I'm using on sites, and there's no configuration for this plugin at all. All we have to do is install the plugin and it automatically hides the toolbar on the front end. So it's called Hide Admin Bar, and I will put a link to this in the resources for the course. So go over to your plugins and install it there, and you can see that I have it installed already, and all I need to do is activate it. And when I go to the front of the site, the toolbar should vanish, and it does. Now, we're finished using Beaver Builder, and that's one thing now, that when we use that plugin, the toolbar is gone. So if we want to get into Beaver Builder, we can't do it from the front end. But what you can do, instead of turning the plugin on and off, we can go back to Pages, and we have all the pages list here. So if you want to get into Beaver Builder from the WordPress admin instead of the front end, all you have to do is scroll over the title of a page and we'll see Beaver Builder comes up there. So we're on the recipe box. Recipe box new is where we are. So if we want to change something in there and we can't get into Beaver Builder, we go into the list of pages, recipe box new, and click on Beaver Builder like that. And there it is, folks. So we will finish doing your edits then, and when you click done, you'll see that you can't get back into Beaver Builder. So that's the only downside of using that plugin. But if we will see now, if you go back in your browser, you can get back into the admin like that. So what I want to do now is I'm just going to quickly log out and show you now what it looks like for a recipe box member. So that's the no access message. So we want to go to login form. I saved that. So login, and there you have it, folks. So you can see that I'm definitely logged in as a member, a recipe box user, because my name is different there, and you can see that the toolbar is gone. So it's a lovely, clean, professional, nice looking layout. I really like it. I really like this feature, and I can believe it can be of great benefit to people to grow your user base and your brand and your email subscriber list. Which reminds me that we'll move on to adding personalization in the next videos, and how to add new recipe box user sign-ups to your email marketing platform. Just one thing I forgot, there's the recipe box new, that I forgot to turn off the page title in the page settings. But that's it, folks. So hope you're enjoying this, and see you in the next video.